Sir Isaac Newton was actually a really, really clever guy, and he came up with this thing as well, okay? He came up with this cool gadget to show us two very important laws about energy. Does anybody know what this is called? Okay, it's called a Newton's cradle. So who do you think that's named after? Sir Isaac Newton, absolutely. So he came up with this to show us two very important laws about energy. One of them is one you kind of already saw before, but I'm going to show it to you again, that energy can be passed or transferred from one thing to another. So I can give my energy, where do I get my energy from? Food, absolutely. And I can pick up this ball at the end of our energy chain. And now I've given it some type of energy. I've given it potential energy. When I let it go, what's that energy going to turn into? Well, it's going to turn a little bit, and it's going to turn to sound. It's also going to turn into movement, kinetic energy, okay? So it's going to start to move. If I let it go, it's going to start to move, and it's actually going to transfer or pass that energy all along our energy chain and give it to this ball at the end, and then that's going to pass it all back through the energy chain to this ball at the other end, and it's going to keep going for a while. And then do you think this will keep going forever? No. So when it's slowing down, do you think it's losing energy? No. It's changing. Very good. And what's it changing into, girls? Heat. What else? Sound. You can hear it. What else? Bit of vibrations as well. Excellent. So same again. The other really important law that Sir Isaac Newton came up with this to show us is something, it goes a bit like this. It says for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Okay? So if my action is to lift up and let go one ball on this side, the equal and opposite reaction is that one on the other side comes up. Now, if I do that with two, if I pick up and let go two balls, what do you think? How many do you think will come up on this side? Two? Absolutely right. And what's the law that says that'll happen for every what? For every action? Say it with me. There's an equal and opposite reaction. Now, what if I pick up three balls? How many are left? Two. How many do you think will come up on this side? Three, two. Okay, we've got some mixed reviews. Let's see. Watch closely. How many? Three. And why is that happening? Say it with me. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. And the last one I'm going to do then, I've got four on this side now and only one. Do you think it'll still work? Yeah. Absolutely it will. Sir Isaac Newton was absolutely right. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So it just passes that energy on. Four go in this side, four come out that side.